Any thoughts on the Belgorod? Yeah, the Belgorod is a nasty, nasty submarine. The purpose of the Belgorod is, I think, to start a war, and so I don't like that. But they're building. Oh no, that's going to be a one-off. Never mind. Oh no, they're going to build 6. I take that back. Yeah, they're building 5 more of the Belgorod type. But the ones that they're building now have a different name. And they have that huge torpedo tube that they shoot the Status 6 out of.
Con, helm,
and I don't know what to think about that, because the Status 6 weapon that it shoots is a huge nuclear-powered torpedo with a nuclear warhead on it, a very large nuclear warhead. And it's designed to contaminate ocean water and have that ocean water rush into shore, contaminating the shore facilities, like a harbor or even a city. Really dirty, dirty weapon. It's like a dirty bomb at sea under the water is what the Status 6 torpedo is. And the Belgorod is the one that carries that. So it's a terrible weapon, terrible submarine, terrible mission that it has. But it's also multi-mission capable. So the Belgorod has some peacetime uses as well. It actually can carry around portable nuclear generators and place them on the ocean floor, which they've already done up in the Arctic. So if you read my sub-brief on the Belgorod, did I write an article about it? I did something on it. I think whenever I talk about the Oscar, that's what it is. Go to YouTube, not now, but after the stream, and watch the Oscar sub-brief that I put out on August 1st of this year on YouTube. And at the end of that, I talk about the Belgorod for about 5 minutes. It is a nasty, nasty weapon. And that's my thoughts on it. I wish they would have never built it, but it is built. It's at sea right now. Sea trials finished, and it's operational. And, I don't know what human being thought that that was a good idea. Because now we have a weapon that can do immense amounts of damage, and there is no theater defense missile against the Status 6. We don't have a weapon to counter that, other than another torpedo that might be able to catch up to it. But they claim it does 100 knots, and I don't know if that's the case, but it says it's nuclear powered. It can probably go as fast as it can spin the screw. And it's a big-ass screw on that thing. Weren't those supposed to be task force killers? Nope. It's a shore facility killer. The purpose of the Status 6 is to contaminate shore lines with cobalt-60 radiation. Yep. Now, honestly, if it blew up under a fleet, the entire fleet would be engulfed in steam because it's a 100 megaton warhead, which is an insanely large warhead. Like, insanely large. I'm going to say that again. It's 100 megatons. Anytime you get into the triple digits, you usually talk about kilotons. Nope. 100 megatons. And they want to put, the Belgorod can carry 6 of them in the torpedo room. Yeah. So they want to deploy, or they want to have a fleet of 6 of these submarines that can shoot these. And they want to keep, they set a number this year. It was something like 18 or 19 of the Status 6s at sea at all times. That doesn't necessarily mean out swimming around, but in the teens underway at any one point, so they could deploy them at any one point. And it's a very scary weapon. War starter, war ender. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing is once that thing is shot, there's no way to stop it. Like, at least if it's a ballistic missile, we have anti-ballistic missiles that give us a chance. There is nothing that can stop the Status 6. It doesn't exist. Yeah. They've built a weapon which we have no defense. The Tsar bomb was 50 megatons. Yeah. It's 2 Tsar bomb warheads together in that thing. It's insane. Yeah, it's unbelievable. It's a dirty submarine with a terrible mission. Only a madman, a supervillain would make something like that. Only it was the Russians. Can we get out of this? No, we still have that incoming weapon. Do you know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and speed up time here. Just to get out of the way of that. I really don't like bad-mouthing other nations, but in the case of the Belgorod, that was a very bad call. They deserve some... well, we've already put sanctions on them. I don't know what more we can do. if it's swimming on its own in loiter mode and we found it, do you think we could destroy it? I think we could if we could catch it with an ad cap. I'm pretty sure we could at least damage it enough to where it wouldn't work. You know, it's a Dr. Evil weapon. It is, yeah. It's like a cartoon character, comic book evil, only it's real. They really did it, and it's ridiculous. Yeah, it's so reckless. And I'm really disappointed that they actually did it. I mean, Russians threaten to do things all the time, but never actually do them. This one they actually did. And the lack of public information about it, and I think there should be more pushback on it than there is. But nobody seems to care. You know, I don't know. That one makes me scratch my head a little bit. Huh. Okay. Well, we're going to take a little break now. We're going to come back and do naval news. We'll see you guys in a couple minutes, okay?